What if I told you there are motorcycles out there that just don't break down? No warning lights, no surprises, just pure, unstoppable reliability. These bikes have earned cult status for one reason. They refuse to quit. Curious which machines made the cut? You're about to find out, and some will seriously surprise you. Number 11. Kawasaki KLR 650. If there's one bike you'd want in the middle of nowhere with no cell signal and no help in sight, it's this one. It's equipped with a rugged 652cc single-cylinder engine. It's built like an armored tank. Whether it's deserts, muddy trails, or mountain climbs, this machine simply doesn't give up. Military teams use it. World travelers swear by it. And that's not just hype, it's earned its stripes through decades of punishment and still rides strong. What makes it so dependable? The lack of complicated electronics means fewer things to fail. Owners regularly cross 100,000 miles with just basic care oil, filters, and tires. Major breakdowns? Practically unheard of. It's raw, unbothered by terrain, and when everything else gives up, this thing just keeps moving forward. Number 10. Honda Goldwing. A masterpiece of touring engineering, this machine blends comfort with legendary endurance. Its massive 1,800cc flat-six engine isn't just smooth. It's designed for longevity, often passing 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. We're talking heated grips, plush seating, GPS, even a reverse gear. But what really makes it special is how little it asks in return. Its liquid-cooled design prevents overheating even on scorching summer days, and the horizontally opposed engine layout ensures balanced, vibration-free performance on long rides. Even after years of long-haul rides and coast-to-coast trips, it starts up like it just rolled off the assembly line. Valve adjustments are few and far between, and the shaft drive setup adds to the no-fuss ownership. Brake rotors, clutch systems, and drivetrain components last for years. Number 9. Honda CB750. It is a one-time machine, but in all the best ways. It revolutionized motorcycling in the 60s with its inline-4 engine, delivering bulletproof engineering to the masses. Even today, well-kept examples are still running strong, some with odometers way past the 100,000 mark. What makes it so durable? It's all mechanical, no electronics to glitch out, no sensors to confuse, just pure functional engineering. Thick metal casings, strong camshaft gears, and a reliable ignition system make it feel like it was built to last forever. It was one of the first to introduce a front disc brake and helped define what a modern motorcycle should be. Owners report decades of riding with minimal repairs. Maybe a carb clean here, a valve check there, but nothing catastrophic. Number 8. BMW R1200 GS. It is powered by a boxer engine and driven by a shaft setup. It's engineered for globe-trotting reliability. Owners frequently report clocking over 150,000 miles and still pushing forward. Yes, it's tech-heavy, but everything has a purpose, from electronic suspension to the telelever front fork that boosts durability and stability. The horizontally opposed cylinders also allow for quick roadside valve checks, and the dry clutch reduces maintenance frequency. Its build quality screams premium, but it's the long-term resilience that truly stands out. Weatherproof wiring, sturdy plastics, and a robust subframe mean fewer failures even in remote environments. It's more than just an adventure bike. It's a precision survival tool with a seat. Number 7. Honda CRF 300L. Lightweight, versatile, and nearly impossible to kill. This is Honda's idea of dual sport perfection. It has a 286cc engine which is deceptively tough, often running tens of thousands of miles on minimal maintenance. We're talking oil, air filter, and chain lube. That's about it. It's the kind of bike that fires up after a hard day of off-roading and begs for more. From city streets to muddy trails, it adapts without complaint. Thanks to its steel frame and long travel suspension, it handles rough terrain effortlessly while staying light enough for new riders to enjoy. Mechanical issues? Rare. Recalls? Minimal. And when something does go wrong, repairs are simple and affordable. Number 6. Yamaha Vstar 250. It's powered by a no-frills air-cooled V-twin that just doesn't give up. thousands of owners have crossed the 60,000 to 80,000 mile mark with nothing but oil changes and the occasional chain adjustment. This cruiser is beginner-friendly but doesn't outlive its welcome. Many riders hang on to it for years as a reliable backup. No sensors, no fuel mapping issues, no drama, just a smooth, predictable ride every time you turn the key. It's easy on gas, easy on your back, and surprisingly quick in the city. For those who want a low-maintenance start-and-go ride, it quietly delivers. If you want a machine that's low on fuss and high on uptime, this is it. A true quiet warrior of the road. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja 250R. If you want a bike that teaches you how to ride and sticks with you for the long haul, this is the one. Its 249cc twin-cylinder engine has a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Riders skip oil changes, redline it for fun, drop it in parking lots, and it still roars to life like nothing happened. This machine is light, forgiving, and built to take abuse. Handling is crisp, the power band is smooth, and its basic engineering keeps repairs cheap and rare. Plenty of riders have racked up over 50,000 miles without a single major repair. Clutch cables, brake pads, tires, sure. But engine failure? Unheard of. It's the ultimate learn-and-grow motorcycle that earns your trust every mile. Outgrow the speed before it gives up, because it simply won't. Number 4. Yamaha TWW200. It may look quirky with its fat tires and short stance, but this machine hides serious grit under its frame. Its air-cooled 196cc single-cylinder is as basic as it gets. And that's a good thing. No radiator, no fuel injection, no drama, just clean, old-school simplicity that thrives in the harshest conditions. Riders take it through deserts, forests, even snowy backroads, and it keeps thumping. Many owners describe it as the two-wheeled tractor, with some reporting 80,000-plus miles with nothing more than oil, filters, and maybe a new chain or sprocket. It doesn't care if it's dropped, scratched, or soaked in mud. It fires up and rides on. If you're still with us, hit that subscribe button so you never miss videos like this. Number 3. Suzuki Vstrum 650. This motorcycle uses the same legendary 645cc V-twin. It is built to last. Riders frequently hit 100,000 miles, some even more, without replacing anything major. It blends smooth power delivery with rugged durability, making it a go-to for adventure tourers and commuters alike. ABS, solid wind protection, and a comfortable riding posture only add to the appeal. It doesn't ask for much, just basic maintenance and clean fuel. From gravel trails to daily freeway slogs, it adapts without skipping a beat. Engine failures are rare and parts are cheap and everywhere. You get bulletproof engineering at a price that won't empty your wallet. Number 2. Suzuki SV 650. Its 645cc V-twin under the seat delivers a perfect blend of torque, smoothness, and longevity. Owners regularly push it well beyond 80,000 miles, some even closer to 120,000, with just oil, filters, and routine valve checks. It's approachable, lightweight, and dead simple to maintain. The engine is understressed and overbuilt, which means fewer breakdowns and longer life. This bike fits everyone, from beginners to track day veterans. It handles well, sounds great, and keeps its cool no matter how you ride it. No fancy tech to fail, no annoying quirks, just reliable performance that stood strong since 1999. It's a bike you can ride hard and ride forever. Number 1. Honda Super Cub. With over 100 million units sold globally, this isn't just a motorcycle, it's the most phenomenal motorcycle build ever. The air-cooled engine is intentionally simple, extremely fuel-efficient, and so well-engineered it can easily clock 100,000 miles in tough, real-world conditions. Maintenance is easy. Oil, spark plug, air filter, that's about it. And it rarely asks for more. From delivering mail in Japan to weaving through traffic in Vietnam, this little two-wheeled machine just doesn't stop. It thrives on bad roads, bad weather, and even bad fuel. Even in remote villages with no garage in sight, it stays alive with minimal care. Parts are everywhere and repairs are basic. It's not trying to be cool, it's trying to survive. And that's what it does better than any other. More than just reliable, it's eternal, and that's why it wears the crown.